Welcome to our SEMrush tutorial on conducting organic research in 2024. In today's digital landscape, understanding your competitors, analyzing market trends, and optimizing your own digital strategy is crucial. With SEMrush, you can delve deep into organic search data to uncover valuable insights. Step 1. Keyword research. Start by entering your target keywords or phrases into the Keyword Magic tool. SEMrush will provide you with a comprehensive list of related keywords, along with metrics like search volume, keyword difficulty, and trend data. Step 2. Competitor analysis. Identify your main competitors and analyze their organic search performance using the Organic Research tool. SEMrush will reveal valuable insights such as their top-ranking keywords, organic traffic distribution, and even the backlinks they're attracting. Step 3. Traffic analytics. Gain a holistic view of your website's performance and benchmark it against competitors using the Traffic Analytics tool. SEMrush provides detailed traffic data and more, helping you understand your audience better. By mastering organic research with SEMrush, you can uncover valuable insights, stay ahead of the competition, and optimize your digital strategy for maximum impact. Thank you for watching our SEMrush tutorial. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to elevate your digital marketing game.